Okay, and from here, click on the little magnifying glass and click the search bar and type in "To Kill a Mockingbird." To kill a mockingbird. Sorry about my slow internet. It's slow when recording, but when I'm not recording, it's not slow. So, no idea. Please work. Okay, here we go. To kill with 3 L's. Come on. Come on. Here we go. Okay, to kill a mockingbird. So we only have 34 results. But if we were to have like a bunch, okay, here we go. 340. So that's a lot of videos. And you wouldn't waste your time looking through all those 340 videos. So what I need you to do is go to grade, click on 7th grade, scroll down, that lowered our search to 197, and go to English Language Arts. Okay, 59, so that's more manageable. And so it's important to especially click on the subject box to clear your results, or to narrow your results, because otherwise you would get a bunch of results with the word bird in it, and that could relate to a biology videos, which we're not looking for. Okay, so let's click this, setting in To Kill a Mockingbird. Let's click that. And see what comes up.